Couple Rudd units. Back at my uncle's house. Take a look at this one. Seems to have lost a fan motor yesterday. I don't see the grill, but gonna get it done. See what we got. That motor had forever at my house. Seems to be about the right rating. What he has is the ECM, so we put a new ECM in this one last time, like a universal. But we're just gonna put a regular split capacitor type motor in this one over here. Yeah. In the old GE motor, I've had this motor for like 10 years, pretty much brand new. Nice smooth ball bearing. I think it's made better than the motors they're making now. Here's the one that came out of there, probably original. It's a Gentech. Shaft turns nice. Probably just lost the electronics. We just got to strap our capacitor down in there. That's just a capacitor I had in my tools. It's not even a new one. Just what you do on a Saturday. And so we got the motor going through the defrost board just like you normally would. Just waiting to get that strapped in there so we can turn it on. Just waiting for him to go turn the thermostat on now. Wire tie is not my favorite thing, but that won't fall in the fan anyway. We got this strapped in. Alright, it's up and running. Got the old field piece connected. Fan's running beautifully, by the way. Looks like he's also low on refrigerant. Low on refrigerant. This is the temperatures outside. So it's 89 outside air and 98 coming out. The compressor amps are 9.1. Oops, the voltmeter just came loose. I just had the probes lean in there. So he's going to get the refrigerant that we purchased and kept here at his house. Got to add some. We got 54-degree superheat, so we're running right at freezing going into the coil, coming out here, down here, 85 degrees, so that's not good. About 1 degree to 0 degrees subcooling. Shit. This is a little trick I try to tell people about. So if you have your probes, you really don't need the manifold set, so you just take something like a core removal tool, take the core removal section out, just use the body. Got a loss there. Keep this valve closed for attaching a hose. Put this on the side, and then we put it on there. You'll now have an access point. For now.
Nothing like a quick repair and a little gas and go on the weekend for family members and friends. That, catch you guys later. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment.